game bafethu ezodlala namhlanje ngo-7:30. So, i-formation yethu bafethu ikanjena, uPeterson lona u-goalkeeper bafethu, uye somfaka as u-goalkeeper, bese lapha esayidini ka-cross sizofaka uMarco bafethu, ngoba uMarco udlale kahle kakhulu bafethu and then uCross uyadlala kahle kakhulu naye, but ngimgcine engathi une-injury and then bese sibe singene lana esipesini sikaMiguel bafethu. Akungcono ukuthi uMcCarthy mekhona udlale yena uMcCarthy bafethu, ngoba uMiguel kulama-fault awayenzile, I think ku-right ukuthi ahlale ebhentshini abukele bafethu, hhayi ukuthi siyamlahla kodwa makahlale ebhentshini or else sifake uGiven Msimango uma ngabe uMcCarthy naye is not available, because abakasitsheli ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoMcCarthy bafethu. So I think uGiven Msimango ngoba uye ehlezi simbone ehleli lapha ebhentshini, siye sibone ukuthi usiphatheleni. Lapha esipesini sikaZitha Kwinika bafethu, I think uZitha Kwinika usayenza kahle kakhulu bafethu. Angikakabi nayo i-complain ngoba usayenza kahle kakhulu. So umuntu uma ngabe esenza kahle ungamphazamisi. And then lana esipesini sikaSolomons bafethu, u-right uSolomons adlale, but I recommend uMonyane bafethu. I know ukuthi uSolomons is the best and sekasiseve ey'ndaweni eziningi, usinikeza i-attack, but I prefer uMonyane lapha as i-right back bafethu. Mhlambe-ke ulona sesingamfaka as i-right winger-ke uSolomon, and then uMthetho usadlala kahle kakhulu bafethu. So I don't have any complain ngoba uyasisiza kakhulu ekudifendeni. Noma bamdlalisa bemkhiphe second half, bafake maybe uNgcobo, and then bese kube indoda enkulu bafethu, hhayi, ayedlala le ndoda uMabuyo bafethu, uyadlala. Ngibonile nangendlela acabanga ngayo bafethu, ngisolokhu nje ngimuncomile njalo kuma-video wami engiwaphostayo. Umfana uyadlala kakhulu bafethu, yiyo lento esiyidingayo as i-Kaizer Chiefs. Iplayer elikhona ukuthi lisinikeze lokhu esikudingayo. And then lapha ku-left winger sinoVelebhayi bafethu, uVelebhayi usadlala kahle kakhulu. I prefer him than uModi bafethu, because uModi eish, ngathi uku-sleeping zone these days. So asidinga umuntu oku-sleeping zone. I think kumele akahlale naye ebhentshini kancane, abukele, or else ayohlala le phezulu njengalamanye amaplayer aboMayo lapha engibabone bahleli khona. I hope uMayo naye makabuzwa uyazicabanga kahle bafethu, but u-right uVelebhayi. And then lana bese uShabalala, yeah, adlale lapho, but I was thinking ukuthi if bangaswapa yena noVilakazi nje, uVilakazi aze lana and then uShabalala yena aye lapha kuVilakazi. So I think kungaba yinto enhle kakhulu, but ama-coaches anama-preferences wabo. So I think they know what they are doing, but let's hope ukuthi akusinto engasikhosta kusasa ezama-co-coaches lawa. But and then lapha esipesini sikaVilakazi, u-right uVilakazi adlale lapho uma ngabe u-coach bengamfakanga lapha esenta, u-right ukuthi adlale khona lapho, or else uVilakazi aze senta, uSolomons azodlala khona lapha ku-right winger, and then uShabalala adlale as a-left winger, and then bese uVelebhayi mhlawumbe bambuyise second half, azongena bese laba babuyele kuma-position wabo. And then lapha sinoSilva, uSilva mfethu usayenza kahle kakhulu, anginayo i-complain ngaye, but angikamboni i-full match. Ngisafisa nje ukuthi aqale abe yi-starter, ngisambone kancane nje ngesikhathi bezodlala neni, eSimba noma yile yaqala le esadlala nayo. ngale gama lakhona libaleke, but angakamboni kahle kwi-full match or as a starter. But uma ngabe uthole ukuthi naye akaqale, I would prefer ukuthi ngike ngibone uvele uBatman bafowethu, because kunama-match abeke wadlala uBatman adlala against i-Kaizer Chiefs, the way he was scoring goals, he was brutally scoring those goals bafowethu. So I will prefer uBatman bafethu umfana omncane. Sike siyishintshe nje igemu, sike sidlale ngabafana abancane bafethu. Sizokwazi ukudestroya lama-team lawa, because uma udlala ngala bantu abakhulu kuphela, sometimes ibuye iphazamise kakhulu ngoba abantu basuke sebewazi lawo ma-player, and then nawo ne-energy ayisafani, abasekho energetic kakhulu njengala ma-player lawo. So I will prefer abafana abancane, especially for ama-local games kanjena. I will prefer abafana abancane ukuthi sizokhona ukubona ukuthi basiphathelene. Yisi squad nje engisibona ngathi singashisa kakhulu, or else uma ngabe ukhona uMayo bafethu, naye sengabuye azolekelela lapho nalapho. I would love to see him adlala ne-team iphelele kanjena kunomabuya, because naye u-creative umfana. Besides ukuthi abalandeli basambambe ngale goli lela owalikhiphayo, kodwa I think it's high time ukuthi as supporters kumele nathi sike sixole bafowethu. Naye nje uMiguel noma eyenza amaphutha, akusho ukuthi simbambe ngenhliziyo. Naye kumele nje azohlala ebhentshini noma uMayo eke wahlala phansi ngokuthi uthathe i-injury, but bekumfanele nje ukuthi umfana ka-understand-e i-Kaizer Chiefs nama-supporters wakhona ukuthi bacabanga kanjani, ngoba bengikubona ukuthi kuzomphazamisa kakhulu lokhu uMayo. Kube ebengayitholanga i-injury bekuzobe kumphazamisa kakhulu, uthole ukuthi usedlala ngenhliziyo ukuthi at least akore, akwazi ukujabulisa ama-fans, akwazi ukuwina back iy'nhliziyo zama-fans, but kumsizile ukuthi athole i-injury. Let's hope ukuthi mhlawumbe kule gemu yakusasa nayo uthole ukuthi usekhona umfana, abuye adlale, or else uma engekho kubuye noma uBatman bafowethu adlale before i-next season iqale. I know ukuthi umfana usasemncane, usasenethuba lonke, but sometimes kungabuya elinye i-player uthole ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ithenge elinye i-player lizobe lishise kakhulu, and then umfana uthole ukuthi akasalitholi ithuba lokuthi naye a-progress-e eyakhe i-future lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs, akhone ukubonisa ukuthi ukhona naye. So I think naye uyadingeka ukuthi adlale bafowethu. Bekumele nje ukuthi before ivala le, I mean siya lokhuyana kuma-holidays, abe eqalile ukudlala ukwenzela ukuthi uma sesiqala siyovula amagemu next year, abe eyitholile naye i-game time. I know ukuthi asasemaningi, isasekude isizini ukuthi iphele bafowethu, isasekude kakhulu ngoba next year isazodlalwa. But into engishoyo ukuthi ama-transfer window abe sevuliwe bafethu, because ngiyawabona ama-transfer window nama-player, different players. So before ngiwa-mention-a, I would like to confirm ukuthi ngempela ngempela i-Kaizer Chiefs management ba-interested kulawo ma-player na, because of I don't like to come up with ama-rumours. This is not channel for ama-rumours. Sometimes when it's rumors, I can just say ukuthi I heard ama-rumours like this and this and this, but I don't like to stick on rumors. Sometimes I prefer to stick on facts bafethu, because yiyo lento ebaluleke kakhulu ukuthi silethe indaba eziliqiniso lana lona kwi-channel i-Kaizer Chiefs True News Sport. So enye into bafowethu, ningasabi ukukhomenta asikhomenteni ukwenzela ukuthi i-channel ikwazi ukukhula bafethu, ngoba nami kukhona lana ozothola ukuthi ngize nazo iy'ndaba kodwa uthole ukuthi khona la kudingeka khona ukuthi ningincedise khona. So, akusho ukuthi uma nganishiyela iy'ndaba akumelanga nikhomente. So, kwamele ukuthi umuntu azizwe e-free bafethu ukukhomenta and as long as ikhomenti i-respectful ngoba sizokhuluma ngebhola bafethu, akukho okunye esizokhuluma ngakho lana kwi-channel. So, asikhulumeni ngebhola and then bese kube u-Chisleti bafethu. U-Chisleti indaba yakhe inzima kakhulu ngoba angikamboni edlala naye noShinga, angikamboni enyakaza lapha ethimini ukuthi i-direction yabo iyakuphi. Nginokubona uChisleti bamfaka kuma-advert we-Kaizer Chiefs, khona le enye izolo ebeyidlala, I think it was 9:30 or 10 o'clock. I'm not sure because iye yangisendela i-SMS ukuthi I must go and watch, but I was very tired and I had a lot of job to do yesterday. So I didn't manage ukuthi ngikhone ukuthi ngiyoyihlalela bafowethu. Kodwa enye into ekhona, well done to i-DDC team bafowethu, ukuthi ikhone ukudrowa ne-Leeds, ikhonile ukushaya i-Manchester United, yadrowa ne-Leeds. I think it's a great thing abohlongwane bafethu into abayenzayo ngoba nabo they are brightening their future, especially uHlongwane. Ngiyambona ukuthi uy'misele kakhulu umfana ukuthi ufuna ukuza ku-senior team and yiyo lento vele nathi siyilindele ukuthi aze umfana azokhona ukuthi naye azokhompitha. It's just ukuthi i-position ayidlalayo leya position, i-position enzima kakhulu, i-striker, because uzothola ukuthi kunama-strikers amaningi lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but umfana I think ngalesi khathi sivula isizini baye bamnikeza nje ithuba, kodwa kulapho i-Kaizer Chiefs sebekusasenzima khona, kunamanye ama-player ebengakadlali. So, I cannot blame him ukuthi azange akhone ukuskora or azange abonakale kahle. Basheshe bamkhipha nokumkhipha umfana. So, I think naye omunye umuntu okumele athole ithuba no-Batman, sike sibone ukuthi basiphatheleni. uTashreeq Morris bafowethu, hhayi ngeke. Ngeke, 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 ngeke. I think aboSiwelele nje kumele bay'thathele lapha bafethu bahambe it's either bamthenge kahle kahle bangamloni, cause I don't think ukuthi unayo i-position ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I haven't seen him playing well. Baye bamfaka nje, ngike ngambona nje kuphela agcwala nje yonke indawo, akhathala angenzanga lutho. So, akusiwo umuntu ukuthi angathembela kuyena uTashreeq Morris. Igodaro is the best player. It's just ukuthi ama-coaches amphindisela emuva kakhulu ukuthi ayomaka, ayolifuna ibhola. I think it's a lot of job for i-striker ngoba kumele atholakale ebhokisini ngaso sonke isikhathi. Nokubona oShabalala uma bethi ebhokisini bamfice engekho, uVilakazi uma ethi ebhokisini umfice engekho, uVele Bhayi uma bethi ebhokisini bamfica engekho, oMabuya uma bethi bashaya amaphasi bamfica engekho lapha ebhokisini bafowethu. I think kumele iyenze iplani i-Kaizer Chiefs ikwazi uku-resolve-a yona lento lena, kungaze kubonakale angathi umfana uyinkomo ngokuthi ugijima njalo kodwa akakori. So, I think bemnikeza umsebenzi omningi kakhulu. Sinawo ama-defender okumele ngabe ayadifenda bafowethu. So, I don't think kwamele ukuthi njalo aze emuva azomakha, azozithathela ibhola. So, i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele i-make-e sure ukuthi lapha esiswini ifake abantu aba-creative, abakwazi ukumakha, abakwazi ukusaplaya nebhola. So, akumelanga ukuthi umfana ajike futhi azofuna ibhola emuva, bese kunabantu abafana nabo-Solomons, aboMarco abakwazi ukushiya emuva bayodlala phambili. I don't think ukuthi it's the good thing for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Yes, i-right uma ngabe uthola ukuthi i-team esidlala nayo iya-attack-a kakhulu. Thina we are not attacking too much, then umfana engadropha azokhona ukusiza emuva. But we are attacking bafowethu. We have i-ball position, we have everything. Umfana kumele abe phambili azokwazi ukuthi any mistake, any goal, I mean any ball nje othola ukuthi bathi i-opponent mayithi ishaya i-pass yenze i-mistake and then lo olitholayo ethi malithatha akwazi ukuthola i-player phambili bafethu. So leyo nto leyo kumele i-resolve-we kakhulu kwi-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. I think kumele bayihlalele phansi into efana naleyo, ikwazi uku-resolve-eka because we need goals. We need goals phambili bafowethu. Ngike ngabona even the other day masidlala nezamaleki, uBobby kukhona omunye umfana nje wama-Rasta lapho ohlala noBobby. Angikaze ngike ngimlandelele ukuthi ngizwe ukuthi umntana kabani. Ngimbona uma ebhizi, ngimbona ukuthi ukhathazekile kakhulu uma ebona i-team idlala the way beyidlala ngakhona. Uyambona umfana ukuthi hhayi, ayimjabulisi. Kodwa uthe mase ikorile i-Kaizer Chiefs ngalesi sikhathi sokungene uMarco, kungene uVilakazi, kuqala nje ukuba ngathi kuba ne-creativity. Ngike ngababona nabo sebeqala uku-relax-a. I think now they are watching very close ukuthi next time when they are signing players, they have to sign better players bafowethu. Bengasayini kuphela ama-agent othola ukuthi lawo ma-agent lawo they are not best players. We need ama-quality players, especially lapha esiswini bafowethu. We need quality players even forward, yabona? Ngoba phambili, I mean, at the back at least we can see it different now. So I hope ukuthi they will do the right thing, especially from tomorrow. Le game yakusasa ne-last game yange-7 bafowethu, ama-coaches kumele a-approve ukwenzela ukuthi bengazitholi nabo ama-contract wabo sekasenkingeni. Danko bafowethu. Please share, like, comment, subscribe so that the channel can grow. Danko.